Money. It's a powerful force that shapes our lives in countless ways. It makes the world go round. It buys nice things. It promises comfort and luxury. It opens doors to experiences and opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. It's no surprise some women are drawn to wealth. But why? What is it about affluence that captivates the imagination and stirs the heart? We're conditioned to believe wealth equals success. From a young age, society teaches us that financial prosperity is the ultimate goal. Big houses, fancy cars, designer clothes. They scream, "I've made it." These symbols of success are hard to ignore. For some women, a wealthy partner offers a shortcut to this lifestyle. It's a way to bypass the struggles and uncertainties of building wealth from scratch. But this attraction to wealth runs deeper than material possessions. It's not just about the things money can buy. It's about security, status, and the promise of a better life. Wealth can provide a sense of safety and stability in an unpredictable world. It's about fulfilling desires that may seem out of reach otherwise. The allure of affluence is a complex mix of aspiration, admiration, and the hope for a brighter future. Ultimately, the pursuit of wealth is about more than just money. It's about the dreams and ambitions that drive us, the desire to create a life of abundance and joy. And for many, the allure of affluence is a powerful motivator, pushing them to strive for greatness and reach for the stars. Let's face it, everyone wants security. We crave stability. For many women, financial stability is paramount. Historically, women have been financially dependent on men. This created a power imbalance, leaving women vulnerable. Even today, the gender pay gap persists. Women often earn less than men for the same work. This financial insecurity can be a powerful motivator. A wealthy partner represents safety, a safety net against life's uncertainties. It's about ensuring a comfortable life, not just for themselves, but for their future children. Attributing this behavior solely to financial gain is simplistic. It's more nuanced. Emotions play a role, often intertwining with financial aspirations. Some women genuinely fall for wealthy partners. They enjoy the lifestyle, the experiences it affords. But is it love for the person or the world they provide? This distinction is crucial. Love built on a foundation of financial dependence can crumble. When love feels transactional, resentment and distrust can fester. Society plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of love and success. From a young age, we are exposed to various forms of media that subtly, and sometimes overtly, dictate what our romantic and professional lives should look like. We're bombarded with images of fairy tale romances, where the prince sweeps the damsel off her feet into a life of luxury. These narratives are not just confined to children's stories. They permeate movies, TV shows, and even advertisements, creating an idealized version of love that is often unattainable. This Cinderella syndrome is deeply ingrained. It starts with the stories we hear as children and continues to influence us as adults. The idea that happiness and success are tied to finding a perfect partner becomes a lifelong pursuit for many. Women are taught from a young age to aspire to be rescued, to find a partner who will provide for them. This expectation is reinforced through various societal norms and traditions, from playing dress-up as princesses to the emphasis on weddings and bridal magazines. This societal conditioning creates a sense of inadequacy. Women often feel pressured to meet these unrealistic standards, leading to stress and self-doubt. The constant comparison to these idealized images can be damaging to one's self-esteem. It reinforces the idea that a woman's worth is tied to her partner's success. The more successful and wealthy the partner, the more valuable the woman is perceived to be. This notion can lead to unhealthy relationships and a skewed sense of self-worth. This pressure can be immense, pushing some women to seek validation through a wealthy partner. The pursuit of such relationships can overshadow personal growth and achievements, making it difficult for women to find fulfillment outside of these societal expectations. It's crucial to recognize and challenge these pressures, fostering a more balanced and self-empowered approach to love and success. Section 5. The media's role in perpetuating stereotypes. The media perpetuates these harmful stereotypes. Reality shows glamorize relationships built on wealth and status. Social media influencers flaunt luxurious lifestyles, attainable only through wealthy partners. This constant exposure creates unrealistic expectations. It normalizes the pursuit of wealth and status, even at the expense of genuine connection and love. Section 6. Gold diggers and sugar babies. Myths and realities. The world of relationships is complex and multifaceted, often misunderstood and oversimplified by societal labels. The term gold digger is often used to shame women who date wealthy men. This label carries a heavy stigma, suggesting that these women are only interested in material gain and lack genuine affection. It's a loaded term, implying manipulation and a lack of genuine feelings. However, relationships are far more nuanced than this simplistic view. Many women who date wealthy men do so for a variety of reasons, including love, companionship, and shared interests. Similarly, the rise of sugar dating further complicates the narrative. Sugar dating involves a mutually agreed-upon arrangement where financial support is exchanged for companionship or intimacy. This dynamic can be empowering for some, providing financial stability and opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. These arrangements are transactional, with financial support exchanged for companionship or intimacy. While some may view this as controversial, it's important to recognize that all relationships have elements of give and take, and each couple defines their own terms. While these examples highlight the financial aspect of some relationships, it's crucial to remember that generalizations are dangerous. Every relationship is unique, shaped by the individuals involved and their personal circumstances. Judging individuals based on their partner's wealth is unfair and reductive. Instead, we should strive to understand the complexities of human connections and respect the choices people make in their personal lives. After all, love and relationships are deeply personal and cannot be easily categorized. Section 7. Financial independence. The key to healthy relationships. Financial independence is crucial for all individuals, regardless of gender. It empowers women to make choices based on their own desires, not financial necessity. When women are financially secure, they can enter relationships as equals. They can choose partners based on love and compatibility, not financial dependence. Financial independence fosters self-reliance and self-worth. It allows women to define their own success on their own terms. Section 8. Breaking the cycle. Empowering women and challenging expectations. Breaking this cycle requires a multifaceted approach. We need to challenge societal norms that equate a woman's worth to her partner's wealth. We need to empower women through education and economic opportunities. Closing the gender pay gap is crucial. Financial literacy programs can equip women with the knowledge and skills to manage their finances and build wealth. We need to promote healthy relationship models, where both partners contribute equally, financially, and emotionally. Section 9. Conclusion. Redefining success and happiness. Ultimately, happiness cannot be bought. True fulfillment comes from within, from pursuing our passions and living authentically. Let's redefine success. Let's celebrate women who achieve financial independence and pursue their dreams. Let's encourage relationships built on love, respect, and equality. When we empower women to achieve their full potential, we create a more equitable and fulfilling society for all.